Absolute government.
Hi guys.
Here we are with the skirts.
Here she is. Get yourself an outfit.
Boots and pants and boots and pants.
Denim. Fucking rubbed off the paint.
Not even rubbed off.
See what I mean?
That's going in.
You sort of have to make a hole.
What's the verdict? Give me the mail. Why are you doing that?
Because it works. You still need this pre-workout?
Yeah? Fucking leave it alone, dude.
Sure.
Don't you dare.
That's what's gonna happen if you betray me. I'm gonna do that right in your penis. It bends. That is not a good sign.
The bottom, maybe. We'll start with the bottom and do that last.
Yeah, okay. Get it on then.
You know what I reckon? I reckon I put it on the car like this, hold it up.
What, you want me to go under and drill?
Yeah.
Cunt, if I fucking die, I'm not gonna like you anymore. Only problem is, yeah, I'll be drilling into it sideways. Unless we move this bolt over to here. What do you reckon?
Yeah? You want to?
Yeah, hang on, let me
Alright.
make it.
Yeah. By the way, we don't even know if this is the correct way to do it.
Yeah, just guessing that. I need fucking glasses. Are there any glasses anywhere? I don't want to get a piece of fucking metal fragments in my eye. Chuck everything under, I reckon. Everything under?
Underwear. Alright, safety's provided.
It's so fucking dark.
So I run into a bit of a dilemma.
We don't know. Obviously this goes in, yeah? But then...
Hit something. I reckon it's some sort of support.
Oh, it literally shouldn't be anything. Come here. It's always just a bar.
No, it has to be, yeah?
I don't know what is in there.
I see metal behind there. But
But how deep is the metal? You know?
that's like about the things the side's good anyway, so.
I want to ride my bicycle. That's what we get.
Bro, that looks fine.
Let's chill.
That's in there, mate.
Skibbity bum.
Did that move the side skirt?
So am I retarded?
Try the other side. Try the other one. The other hole. You're screwing in the side skirt. I'll hold it there.
What the fuck?
Is it not lined up?
Needed to push it in more.
Nah, it's sick.
You're done.
Guys, we finally done it. We turned the camera off for a while because we lost hope. To show them the hole. We finally got a fucking hole in there. Did it by tapping it with the screwdriver. Fucking boom. That's not going anywhere, mate. And then the other ones are just holes that where the mudguard was.
It's in.
That's perfect. This part looks so fucked on camera. It's starting to rust a little bit.
Little rust never hurt nobody.
Just there temporarily.
That's a bad thing right there, that chip. That's where this was. The hole. It'll be covering it anyway. Oh, why the f was it there? Because I got no fucking light.
What?
Who done that? Who's done that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Put it on.
Ah, sick. But we've fucked it. It's gonna be covered by the skirts anyways.
You gotta be shitting me. I've drilled into the wrong place.
Got the other side skirt on. This one was a lot more difficult. This f***ing dint.
We had to drill new holes because we had to put masking tape.
Don't show 'em that.
And this guy had to go on an angle because he just had to. Oh yeah, we have to do it before and after.
It's more annoying, but it's more entertaining.
Thank you.
Now we need nuts.
Max, shut this bitch on.
Right now it's gonna be a hot air filter. Start her up.
I'm starting her.
Yeah.